Welcome back to Grilling with Paticus. Did I mention it was day 5 of the blizzard, even though it's over? Oh, look at that. Alright, I don't like getting the dog split, but it happens. Let's try the trickiness here. Get it in. Get in there. Those are good. Bit of grill stuff. Probably a little longer on that. That's probably a little high on one side on the heat. At least if it rolls in the snow, you're okay. It's yellow. Did you say yellow? Yellow. Go a little longer on the hamburgers. Well, I don't know. No one's here to. I'm no grill master. I'll live and learn. Gotta work at it. You know? Can't just fire a grill up and be like, I'm grilling. I know how to grill. It is an art.